सो कैसे हो आप सभी लोग. सो आई होप यू ऑल आर guys well from. So today's video will very important and also beneficial video for everyone. आज की ये वीडियो बहुत ही बढ़िया होने जा रहा है आप सभी के लिए और very interesting video for everyone. Today's video that if you are want to learn the English language, so today's video is only for you. So guys, आज की ये वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को बहुत ही आसान तरीके से मैं बताऊंगा कि कैसे इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज आप लोग बहुत ही बढ़िया तरीके से सीखेंगे. सो दिस वीडियो इज गोना वेरी स्पेशल, वेरी बेनिफिशियल एंड ऑल्सो वेरी यूजफुल फॉर एवरीवन. सो दैट आई डोंट वेस्ट टाइम दिस एक्सेट्रा थिंग. सो अगर आप लोग मेरी वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सब्सक्राइब एंड आफ्टर यू सब्सक्राइब you have to press the bell icon. That's why my first videos notification will came in you and you will watch my video easily guys. So let's go. कैसे आप लोग एडवांस हो गए, कैसे एडवांस हो गए, ये वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को बहुत ही बढ़िया तरीके से बताऊंगा कि कैसे आप लोग एडवांस बनोगे. बिकॉज we all are just beginner. We want to develop our English language. We want to develop our conversation skill. We want to develop our personality. So how we developed our personality, how we developed our conversation skill, how we developed our English speaking. So आज की ये वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को कुछ टिप्स दूंगा और कुछ ट्रिक बताऊंगा कि कैसे आप लोग ये चीज़ आप लोग इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. बहुत ही ईजी है. So in this video is very easy and for you better understand that I use some Hindi. So that's why you will better understand. So आज की ये वीडियो बहुत ही बढ़िया होने वाला है. अगर आप लोग थंबनेल देखा ही होगा, you all are just also saw the thumbnail that what I write and that how to be advanced from beginner. So first of all you have to know what is the beginner and what is how we become advanced. It is very simple how to be advanced. So first of all I will suggest you, मैं आप लोगों को suggest करूँगा one thing, that is the thing is conversation. Do conversation. Like think guys that we all are have friends, so many friends we all are have. So how we can use our friend to learn something. In this video I am going to talk about. So first of all that if you have any friends, so you also can call him to come out, to come at your home. Then after he coming at your home, so you also can do the conversation with your friend. that अगर आप लोग ये करोगे तो अगर आप लोग आपके फ्रेंड के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन करोगे तो आप लोगों का इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग बहुत ही आसानी से डेवलप्ड होगा और बहुत ही आसानी से आप लोग इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग सीख सकते हैं. So this video is gonna very important and also that if you can do the conversation with your friend, with your neighbors, with your family, so that is very useful and also very like what is called the very like useful, also very powerful thing that you have. That very powerful thing, that is the thing. Like if you want to be advanced from beginner, so now we all are just speak some word, some sentence we can also understand and we also can try to say. So how we can speak the better English speaking like for a long time. कैसे मैं जो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग में इंग्लिश में जो बात करूँगा कैसे मैं डेवलप करूँगा और कैसे मैं मेरा इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग जो है मैं लाइक ग्रोथ, हाउ टू ग्रोथ माई इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग. सो दैट इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट अगर आप लोग कॉन्वर्सेशन करोगे सो दैट इज़ वेरी इजी टू डेवलप योर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग. Without conversation and without reading and also without practice you cannot develop. Without practice is like not possible to improve your English language. English is very complicated thing that if you want to learn the English language it is very easy for you. That if you did not want to learn the English language it is so hard. You just did not understand some word, some sentence, that if you are new and if you are beginner, so in this video very useful for everyone. So I also said my lot of video that practice and practice, do conversation, but you cannot understand. Because I hope you all are understand that what I try to say is. So in this video is very useful. So guys, if you want to become a do practice at your home, just do in front of mirror, talk about yourself, introduce. Language is so important to survive in this time. Without English language you cannot be a perfect man or perfect boy. Without English language you cannot be a perfect. So I hope you all understand that what I try to say is that if you are new and if you want to be advanced, so please guys try to understand what it says. So just read books. Without reading books you cannot develop your English language. Without reading book you cannot develop. It is not possible. So just try to develop, just try to read some new comic book also you can take to read to develop your English speaking. Try to read any books, any English book. Try to read and read and read. Without reading you cannot develop, as I say, and also my teacher also said always this thing, that without reading you cannot improve your English language. So I hope you all understand that what I try to say. So if you understand, so thank you for watching this video, and also that if you did not subscribe my channel, you just subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next more interesting video.